Our story begins in the most remote and solitary places throughout Runeterra, where three stories intertwine unknowingly as they heed the call of duty. Blood and metal from the same blacksmith come together to seize destiny by the horns, expectant of what may come, but always with heads held high, destined to become legends. This is the story of Sejuani, Fury of the North, Pantheon, the Unbreakable Spear, and Kaisa, Daughter of the Void. And even when their arms begin to falter, these heroes fight with astounding valor, for they know that people like you and I still believe in their strength and courage. Believe in yourself. Though the world may doubt, let your courage be unyielding and your will unbreakable. For it is through belief that heroes are born and legends are forged.